please like it, subscribe it, support the little ones. I will support little ones. You just have to comment below. Let me know that you are a beginning YouTuber. And, you know, all of that jazz. I repeat myself every single time, but I love you, Dad. Mwah. Alrighty, so what's happening today is I have this, right? And so when it comes to this, I had just gotten soil. I put it in there, put the kale, the broccoli, and the strawberry in there, right? Right, now check this out. I got gnats. You know how gross that is? So, I feel like it's gonna affect my plants soon because they eat the roots. So, my mission was I went over to a nursery. They explained how to take care of these. And they said take a light layer off of the dirt and then put sand on above it because it'll block them from leaving and entering. So I'm not wearing makeup because it is a Sunday, and yeah, Sundays are relaxed days unless you go to church. Okay, but let me try to position this. Alrighty, so I did it. Heck yeah. So I'm gonna put on my handy dandy gloves. They're pink because I absolutely love the color pink. And when it comes to the dirt that I have to take off, I have my bag in order to put it in. My Secret Santa had actually gave me a bunch of like gardening stuff, which comes in handy right now. So I had this. I have a big one. And I have this. Be like, anyways, that was lame. So, let's do this. Okay. They're very micro, but I see them. They love to eat the roots. It's very unfortunate. Trying not to get any of the roots. They love my strawberry plant, which is very unfortunate, but this should solve all the issues. Alrighty. So now, with this I have the garden soil, vegetable and herbs soil, and I'm going to use my handy dandy scuba and try not to get it all over my patio. I know I'm outside, but you know what? I like my patio as clean as possible when it's not storming. So what I found out also is that broccoli is great in Arizona in the winter. Fun factoid. As you can already tell, I'm from Arizona. Born and raised. If you saw my TikTok video, it also says that. Whenever I see that TikTok stuff, though, I always think of Kesha. No. Is it Kesha? Yeah, it is. I am so proud of her, man. She's fought a lot of demons. And she's doing good. I like her new style. Her new style is pretty cool. So, if you're a gardener and you say that I'm doing anything wrong, let me know. I went to a nursery this time and got the information, which was pretty spiffy. Katie's doing stuff, and hopefully it survives. I would really, really appreciate that, because then I can creep things around, which I love to do. He says that I am the plant murderer. And I'm like, why am I the plant murderer? He's like, because every plant you've had, you've killed. Well, you know what? New house, new world, new life, right? So, yeah. Alright. Now, for the sand. So, with the sand, I had once upon a time a cup. This cup left me, and now it left me. So, I'll use this cup. So, with the sand, it's all natural sand. So, I'm going to put it in here. That'll make it a lot easier. You should put about half an inch of sand, from what I was told. Da, 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 da. I hope I have enough for this whole thing. This is absolutely awesome. Okay, and then alrighty guys, so let me take this off so I can reverse it. Okay, one moment. Alrighty guys, so I did exactly what they said to avoid those little gnats. So this is my strawberry. This is my broccoli. I have 6 of them. Yeah, I have 6 of them. Hi, baby. And that's my kale. I have 6 of those too. But I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm very hot. So I do hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and I'm outies because it is hot. Cat break. Kitty break. Meow. Alrighty. Bye. Well, bye. Guys, just real quick before this video ends or starts, I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but if you have any sort of depression, if you have any sort of suicidal thoughts, any of those sorts, definitely give a call to the new number 988 is the new suicide hotline. And versus getting all of those numbers, you're only gonna have to do 3 numbers. 988, okay? Your family doesn't need to lose a person during the holiday seasons or at any point in time. The U.S. actually just granted the go for the 988 number. I'm a huge supporter in helping people with depression, bipolar disorder, anything of that sort. And having bipolar or multiple personality disorder or depression, you need immediate help. Trying to search for that number is absolutely a hassle sometimes, and you don't know you need it until the last bit. So if you have any suicidal thoughts, anything of that sort, call 988, please. I do hope you guys have a beautiful holiday season. Bye. What? Bye. 988.